Hi, Christy. Uh, I saw your post that you wanted some help in trying to get the pictures to come up in your image manipulation program. So I'll show you what I did for GIMP. So you pull up the GIMP program, which again, like I might be screwing this up because I don't know it myself all that well. But you pull it up, and before having done so, whatever pictures you found that you wanted to use, let's say like monarch, butterfly, and you saw a picture that you wanted to use, you would save that picture the way that you normally do. You right-click it and you save the images. And then you think about where you're saving those images, and you save the images to a folder so that you can call them up easily. So you do that, you pull up your pictures, you save them. Alright, and then in the software, here we go. You have to use, what I found that worked was to use layers. So alright, you're going to go to File at the top, and you're going to open as layers. Okay, File, open as layers. Do you see that? So you open it that way, and then it's going to ask you to build in some pictures. So at that point, you build in whatever pictures you want. Let's say it's this one, and this one. That would be an interesting picture. Anyway, so you build them in. So see on the right hand side, they're now built into different layers. And then the little eyeball means that you can view them. If I unclick these, that means I'm working. I can only see the bare yellow layer. And then you treat it in this fashion. Okay, so you can build the layers in this way, and then on the left you can hit the moving sign and you can move them around. You can stack them. You can, what I ended up doing is I used the scaling tool to mess with the size of the images. Oh, see how it screwed up it dragged it? So you have to click this chain thingy, and it keeps the proportion, and it'll scale it for you like that. You hit the scale button, and let's say this one I want to look at now. So this is this image I want to mess with, so I might do the same thing. What just happened? See, I don't know what I'm doing either. Okay, before reading, I hit that, and the chain is on to keep the proportion, and I scale that to whatever I want to scale it to, right? And then I can click the arrow thingy to move it around. And then you could do that with the images. So that essentially what you want is that you can format them all on your banner. You can look at them all, and they all, take up so much space on the banner, and they don't overlap and stuff. So let's see if this worked. You see how they're all there now on the banner? So these are the layers, and then from there, what I found is you can go up here to the layer. You can there's a way to flatten them so they create one image. There it is. Image, flatten image, merge visible layers, so that takes all of them and then makes this one thing. Like when you don't want them in different layers and you just want them on one, you could do that. And then you see how the little dots are there, so you have to do something about that. You have to build in a background. So you can put you can create a different layer for just the color, like on the background. I think this color to alpha, I think. Maybe not. No, just kidding. There's a way to do it where you can just build another layer in. Let me see. File. I have no idea, to be quite honest with you. There's a way you can build in a layer and color the background. I don't know. Maybe somebody else has some thoughts for you on that. But anyway, you asked about the pictures, and that's how you do that. Hope that helped.